Every year, millions of tons of agricultural waste are left to rot in the fields, completely forgotten. But inside this ultra-modern facility, that trash is being transformed into pure liquid gold, industrial fibre, and high-strength materials. We're going deep behind closed doors to witness a high-tech manufacturing line that's rewriting the future of industry. From farm waste to high-performance tech, this is the hidden world of banana stem processing.
Every year, millions of tons of agricultural waste are left behind after the banana harvest. The journey begins in the field, where workers selectively harvest thick, mature plant trunks.
Instead of letting these pseudostems rot, modern eco-factories are upcycling them into valuable high-strength industrial fibers. Harvested stems are loaded onto flatbed trailers, beginning their journey from muddy fields to high-tech processing lines. Each stem weighs up to 50 kilograms and consists mostly of water trapped within layered sheaths.
At the factory receiving bay, tons of raw stems are weighed and logged into the automated inventory system.
Conveyors move tons of raw trunks directly from transport trucks into the primary sorting yard. High-pressure water jets blast away embedded soil and organic debris from the raw stems. High-pressure water jets blast away surface mud and field residue, preparing the stems for mechanical splitting. The washed trunks travel down an incline directly toward the primary sectioning guillotine. Heavy automated blades slice the thick stems into uniform 1-meter sections. Sectioning ensures the fibers feed evenly into the mechanical decorticating machinery.
Workers perform initial quality screening, separating decayed outer sheath layers from prime fibrous cores.
The stem pieces now enter the core decortication phase, the heart of the extraction process. The clean stems move directly into automated splitter blades that strip the trunk into long, manageable longitudinal ribbons. This intense mechanical scraping strips away soft cellular pulp, leaving tough structural fibers intact.
The stem pieces now enter the core decortication phase, the heart of the extraction process.
These stripped sheaths consist of nearly 90% water, which must be mechanically extracted.
industrial sewing machine stitching heavy banana fabric panels with contrasting organic cotton thread. Workers perform an initial inspection to remove spoiled outer skins, rot, and dirt. The nutrient-rich sap flows through the piping into the stainless steel bioreactor, initiating the anaerobic process. The massive shredder blades make short work of the banana pseudostem, rapidly converting the dry waste into usable raw fibrous pulp.